Hello my beloved viewers, hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are here to learn how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple and easy, so you just follow my step-by-step guidelines. So don't waste your time, just let's get started. We make a background. To make a background, we take the rectangle tool, just select to draw it and make a background. And now come to the point, change the color to make the colorful background. We need a file for clipping mask, and just go to the file and place a file. Just take this picture, place it here. Now take the circle to draw it here to make a place for clipping mask. Now we drag the picture to bring the front side of the circle, and its back side, just right click on it and select the range, choose the bring forward. Now it's front side. It's okay. Now we turn off the fill and just change the stroke size. Now we are just satisfied with scaling adjustment. And just right click on it and choose the make clipping mask option. Now we go to again make stroke. Just click on the circle layer, go to this stroke and just increase the stroke size, active stroke. And now we just come to change and make a gradient stroke for it to make it more beautiful. Just change the both color and make a beautiful stroke. Take ellipse and draw ellipse like this. We make a shadow for it and just turn off the stroke and make the black fill. And go to the stylize and select feeder, and we just make a feeder. Finally, the final look or clipping mask is ready now. You can see it's really attractive and stunning. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, and just thumbs up, subscribe my channel, stay blessed, thank you.